How to add Python to path environment variables in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 machine. First, you will need to open up your browser, and the first step is to make sure that you have Python installed. So you will need to run your CMD or PowerShell or whatever, and then you will need to type Python. Now, if you see something like this opening up Python command line, that means it's installed. And if you see unrecognized or error right here, that means you don't have Python installed. You will need to open up your browser and then type Python. Click on the first link and then click on Downloads and then choose Windows or your platform. Now you will need to download the installer. So for example, I'm going to download the latest version, which is this one, 3.13.7. Click on Windows Installer 64-bit. And then basically just download it and install it just following the steps easily. Next, you will need to open up the start menu and then search for environment and then click on edit the system environment variables. Click on environment variables button and then you will need to double click on the path option right here, and you want to click on edit and then click on add a new entry to add a new entry for Python. Now you will need to copy the Python path, which you can find. So to find the Python path, you will need to open up the start menu and then search for Python, and then right click on the Python and open file location, and then right click on it again and click on open file location. Now once you see a valid path like this, you will need to click on it and copy it. And then come back to the environment variables, add a new entry and paste in that path. As you can see, it already exists for me right here, so I'm going to delete this entry. And you should also add scripts if you have, or if you need to run any scripts, by adding /scripts/ like this to your current path as a new entry. And then press OK, and then press OK again. Next, you will need to restart your system for this to take effect. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you in the next one.